Good afternoon. Welcome to Miller Motorcars. My name is Lisa Anastas. I'm the resident sales specialist here at Aston Martin. Today we're going to go through a walk around of the 2020 DB11 Volante. The DB11 is our most iconic of the lineup, stemming from a very long line of past DBs. However, this DB, for one of the first time in a very long time, was built from the ground up. The only thing that was shared from the DB9 was the umbrella. One of our biggest changes from the DB9 was moving away from the naturally aspirated V12 into a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine. As you can see, all of the cylinders sit behind the front axle. This gives my GT drivers more confidence, more nimble attitude with the car, easier to drive. One thing that has never changed about the DB lineup is the bespoke interior. Being all hand built, you can get pretty much whatever you want, and we don't like to say no to our clients. With this particular car, we chose a beautiful tungsten exterior silver, dark night leather on the dash, Argento silver seats, and as you can see, you have beautiful broguing, like a men's wingtip shoe, Nexus quilting, you have the perforation, and of course, embroidered wings in the headrest. I feel one of the best things about the DB is it suits all types of drivers. Not only for a driver that enjoys a GT car experience, you can go over and push drive, enjoying fast gear changes from the ZF 8-speed transmission. For our drivers that are more spirited, possibly more aggressive, they can put their thumbs right in this comfortable driving position, have access to the upshift and downshift paddles. They also have access to the 3-stage sport button and the 3-stage adaptive dampening suspension system. So pulling once will go into manual mode. And I think that's really key because it is a torque converter. This car will not upshift for you out of manual mode. Or if you want to go back to automatic, press and hold, and you're in the easiest driving position. Our clients love a rear-wheel drive experience with an open top, whether they're doing a weekend away or a golf trip. The boot space on the DB11 is quite accommodating. Thank you again for joining me walking around the elegant DB11 Volante. If you need further information regarding the DB11 or any other Aston Martin, please don't hesitate to reach out.